Hello everyone. The topic we are going to discuss today, past adjustments. This is also the part of fundamentals of accounting for partnership firm. I am Sujit Kumar Sahu, PGT Commerce, going to discuss with you all. So let us start. These are some points we need to remember. Now, adjustments are required when it is discovered that there have been some errors or omission in accounts. Number 2, some common adjustments are made when interest on capital or drawings may have been omitted, when rate of interest on capitals or drawings may have been allowed or charged in wrong rate of interest, when profit and losses have been distributed among partners in wrong PSR, or we can say the profit sharing ratio, when PSR has been changed with effect from the past dates, when salary or commission payable to partners has been omitted. Now these are the following points and these are the important one. 1. Interest on capital. It is credited to the partner's capital account or the current account depending upon the type of capital account. Salary or commission to the partners. It is also credited to the partner's capital account or the current account. Interest on drawing debited to the partner's capital account. Profit credited to the partner's capital account or current account, or losses debited to the partner's capital account or current account. If you notice, against of each item there is a sign of the plus, plus, minus, plus and minus. These sign says that interest on capital increases the amount of partner's capital, salary increases the amount of partner's capital, interest on drawing decreases the amount of partner's capital, and the profit increases the amount of partner's capital. So you need to focus this point very carefully, that if interest on capital is not given, it is not allowed to any partner, it means we need to give him or her interest on capital. In that case, we will credit the amount of the interest on capital to the concerned partner's capital account. It means we need to add the amount. In the same way, if the salary or the commission has not been given to concerned partner, so we will add the amount. We need to add the amount of the same to the partner's capital account. Again, if the interest on drawing has not been charged, so we will deduct the amount of the interest on drawings from the partner's capital account or the current account. In the same way, profit and the losses, the treatment of the profit and loss will be done in the partner's capital account. So before we proceed further, if you are able to understand the concept of the plus or the minus, then this topic is going to be the easiest. So let me clear again. Suppose the interest on capital at the rate of 6% per annum has not been allowed. So this line states what? This line says interest on capital has not been allowed to concerned partner, or interest on capital has not been given to concerned partner. In that case, we will add the amount of the interest on capital. The reason behind it, because the interest on capital increases the amount of partner's capital. And we can also take the example of the interest on drawing. If the interest on drawing has not been charged at the rate of whatever the percentage there, in that case what the adjustment we will make, interest on drawing decreases the amount of capital, so we will deduct the amount of interest on drawing. So now with the help of the numerical question, we will try to learn the concept of this topic. Here on your screen a question: X, Y and Z are partners in a firm. Net profit for the year ended 31st March 2019 rupees 60,000, which has been distributed in the ratio 3:1:1. The transactions given below were not considered while preparing the books of account of the firm for the year ended 31st March 2019. interest on capital at the rate 6% per annum. The capitals of the X, Y, Z being rupees 1,80,000 and 60,000 respectively. Interest on drawing of X 700 rupees, of Y 500 rupees, of Z 300 rupees. Partner salary of X 10,000 rupees, of Y 15,000 rupees. Commission due to X rupees 6,000 rupees. Pass necessary adjusting entry showing the working clearly. If you read the question very carefully, you can draw some conclusion. You can see on your screen interest on net profit has been distributed in the ratio 3:1:1. This is not the right treatment has been done by the firm. This is the net profit has been distributed in the ratio 3:1:1. This is not the right treatment. Profit increases the amount of capital. So how we will correct this transaction? We will deduct the amount of interest on, we will deduct the amount of profit which was distributed in the ratio of 3:1:1, and these transactions like interest on capital, like interest on drawing, partner salary, these transactions have not been adjusted in the accounts of the firm. So we need to adjust these transactions in the same way as we make the transaction. For example, interest on capital increases the amount of capital, so we will add this amount. Interest on drawing decreases the amount of capital, we will deduct this amount. Partner salary increases the amount of capital, so we will add this amount, and the commission also increases the amount of capital. Now how it is solved? Here it is. This is the solution. This is the table showing the adjustment to be made, particulars X, Y, Z and total. Now profit already created, as I told you, profit which was created in the ratio 3:1:1, this was the wrong treatment has been done in the past. So how we will rectify it? We will deduct this amount to rectify the past adjustment, to rectify the past treatment. 60,000 was the profit already created, so we will deduct this amount, and I am not going to show you the working note to save your time. Do it by yourself and get the amount. So why it is being shown in the minus item? The logic behind it, because it was already created, it has already increased the amount of capital, so we are deducting the amount of capital by deducting the amount of profit. Second one, interest on capital at the rate 6% per annum. So we need to add this amount because it was not done in the past. So interest on capital to be created at the rate 6% per annum. 6,000 for the X, 4,800 for the Y and the 3,600 for the Z. The total is 14,400. Interest on drawing, the amount is already given over there, so no need to make any calculation. Interest on drawing 700 rupees, 500 rupees, 300 rupees, in the total is 15. It has been shown in the minus item because it decreases the amount of capital. Partner salary X and Y, it increases the amount of capital, so it will be the plus item. 10,000 rupees, 15,000 rupees. For the Z there is no salary and the total 25,000. Again see the question, commission due to X, so we will just give the commission to the X. Now 6,000 rupees for the X, no commission for the Y, no commission for the Z, the total is 6,000 rupees. If we see the question again, then we can just say there is no transaction at all. So complete the question. First Go to the total side, get the balance first. How you will get the balance? There are the three items which are of the positive nature: 25,000, 6,000, 14,400. Make the total of it and deduct 60,000 and the 1,500, and then get the balance first. So this is the balance 16,100. Now if we just get the balance, we can just say the total of the minus is more than the total of the plus. So whatever the balance comes, make the reverse of it. For example, if you get the balance of the total 60,000 and the 60,000 and 1,500, the total is 61,500, that is the minus 1, and the total of the 25,000, 6,000, 14,400, this is the total of the plus 1. So definitely the balance will be in the minus. So whatever the balance comes, make it the reverse of it. Means if your balance comes in negative, so so here as a positive. If the balance comes as a positive, so show here as a negative. The logic behind it, because we need to get the nil balance in the total side. So here the balance is 16,100 and it will be distributed in the PSR. The PSR is 311. So distribute this amount: 9,660, 3,220 and 3,220. Get the balance separately of the each partner X, Y and Z. So this is the net effect. If we get the balance of the X, the answer is 5040. It's a negative balance. If we get the answer of the Y, we get the positive balance 10,520. If we get the balance of the Z, we get the balance 5480. That is the negative balance. And the most important thing, there should not be any balance in the total side. There should be the nil balance in the total side. If your answer is positive, it means it will be credited to the concerned partner capital account. If your net effect is negative, it will be debited to the concerned partner capital account. So this is your answer. So X will be debited with the amount of 5,040, Y will be credited with the amount of 10,520, Z will be debited with the amount of 5,480, and this will be the journal entry. X capital account DR, Z's capital account DR to Y's capital account, and so this is the solution of the question number 1. To practice more, we just solve some more question. This is the question number 2 on your screen. A, B are partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 2:3. Their capital as on 1st April 2016 2,80,000, 2,40,000. A and B both withdrew 64,000 and 48,000 for personal use on 1st January 2017. It was subsequently found the following items had been omitted while preparing the final accounts for the year end 31st March 2017. Interest on capital at the rate 6% per annum, interest on drawing at the rate 6% per annum. A was entitled to a commission of rupees 8,000 for the whole year. Pass necessary adjusting entry showing the working clearly. If you read the question very carefully, you can come to know that the interest on capital, interest on drawing and the commission to A, these transactions have not been made in the books of accounts. So we need to make some adjustment of these transactions. So interest on capital increases the amount of capital, so it will be added. Interest on drawing decreases the amount of capital, it will be deducted, and commission increases the amount of capital, so it will be added. Now here is your solution. Interest on capital at the rate 6% per annum for A 16,800, 14,400 for B, and the total is 31,200. Interest on drawing, here the interest on drawing has been charged for the 3 months. Why for the 3 months? Because the drawings were made on the 1st January 2017. That's why the interest on drawing has been charged for the 3 months. 960, 720 and 1680. Commission due to A 16,000 rupees, no commission for the B, and the total is 16,000 rupees. Again, get the balance. If you get the balance will be definitely in the positive, so make it of the reverse. If you get the balance in positive, so in the total side in the as a negative balance. The reason behind it, as I told you, to get the total balance nil, So this was the balance amount 14,520, and divide this amount in the ratio of 2:3. This is the PSR. Then calculate the net effect. If you just calculate the net effect of the A, we can get the figure 13,632. This is the positive balance, and the net effect of the B 13,632. This is the negative balance, and there should not be any balance in the column of the total. As I told you, if you get the balance positive, then that will be credited. If you get the balance negative, that will be debited. So that is your adjustment entry. B's capital account DR to A's capital account. Now one more question. X, Y and Z sharing profit and losses equally have capitals of rupees 2,40,000, 1,80,000 and 1,20,000 respectively. For the year end 31st March 2019, interest on capital was credited to them 6% per annum instead of 5%, means the wrong treatment was done by the firm. Interest was credited to them at the rate 6% per annum. To rectify this amount, we will deduct the interest on capital at the rate 6% and add the interest on capital at the rate of 5%, because interest on capital at the rate of 5%, this is the right amount, right percentage. So here is the solution. Interest on capital already credited. This was the wrong treatment done by the firm, so we will deduct this amount, and interest on capital to be credited. This is the right treatment we need to make. 5 at the rate of 5%, 12,000, 9,000, 6,000. The total is 27,000. Get the balance first. The balance is the 5,400, and how you have got the balance, I think explained by me. So you might have become the comfortable. Division of the 5,400 in the ratio of 1:1 given in the question. Then get the separate balance, that is the net effect. If you get the net effect, there is the negative balance in the x column, there is no balance in the y column, and there is the positive balance of the z column. So x capital account will be debited and the z's capital account will be credited. So here is your answer. This will be your journal entry. X capital account DR to z's capital account. This is the last question for practice. X, Y sharing profit and losses equally have fixed capital rupees 4 lakh, 6 lakh respectively. The partnership deed provides for interest on capital at the rate 12% per annum for the year 31st March 2019 was not credited to their capital account. Give adjustment journal entry. So see the solution over there. Statement showing adjustments to be made. Particulars X, Y and total. Interest on capital to be credited which was not done in the past. So we are going to make the adjustment of it. 48,000 for the X and 72,000 for the Y, and get the total. Then no other transaction is there, so get the balance, and the balance is 1,20,000. So balance is positive, so reverse the amount, make it negative, divide the balance, then get the net effect. X 12,000 negative balance, Y 12,000 positive balance, and there should not be any balance in the total column. So this is your answer. X current account DR to Y's current account. Why the current